Spray sealants. Some claim 6 months, others even more. But how much of that is marketing and how much is real? I took 3 of the most hyped, respected, and talked about spray sealants on the market, applied them the right way on clean, decontaminated, and polished paint. No excuses. Then I drove the car through unpredictable spring weather, rain, road salts, and daily conditions. Real life. 33 days later, I washed the car, and what I saw might change how you look at spray sealants forever. And just to be clear, on the driver's side roof, we have Bola P17, and on the passenger side roof, we have GRIOT'S 3-in-1. All right, here's the mission. I'm not here to bash the products or the brands. In fact, I chose what I believe are the best spray sealants on the market. All right, product number 1 is GRIOT'S Ceramic 3-in-1. There's no time frame or advertised durability for this one, but what I found is behind the bottle, there's extreme durability and intense gloss. This one has been the fan favorite, the most recommended and most requested spray sealant from my channel, from you guys. And the second product is Bola P17, Bola Solution. In my book, in my experience, that this has been the most durable spray sealant that I've used over the years. So this is why this test is mainly to feature those 2 products, the 2 most durable spray sealants according to our experience. So I wanted to put those 2 against each other. And just for fun, I decided to add the Clean by Pan ceramic spray sealant on one door just to have another product to gauge the durability of those 2. But keep in mind, this test is mainly going to be GRIOT'S versus Bola Solution. And all 3 products were applied to freshly decontaminated paint and polish, except the roof. I decided to leave the roof unpolished just to find out if the polishing step would extend the durability or not. And why fully decontaminated and polished paint? Well, I wanted to give them every advantage possible to succeed. No shortcuts, and trust me, I wanted them to work. By the way, all the products and tools used in this video are gonna be linked down below in the description for you to look into, and you can use the coupon code Dogma to save you some money. And let's get back into the video. By the way, all 3 products are really easy to use. Just note that the P17 can streak sometimes on very dark paint if you don't pay attention or if you don't use the 2 towel method. That's Pan, that's GRIOT'S, and that's Bola Solution. Pan is the slickest, and for me, second place is GRIOT'S, third place is Bola Solution P17 in terms of slickness. So I have also applied the tape line all the way from the roof to the trunk lid. So on the left side, we have the Bola P17, and on the whole right side, we have GRIOT'S 3-in-1. After the application, I've let the car dry for 24 hours in the garage, again, giving these products the best chance possible. Then the car was driven daily through the usual rainy days and a few spring surprises. This is a real-world test, not a garage queen conditions. I hate to be the one to bring the bad news, but some things have to be said. You deserve to know the truth. no matter what it is. Again, this is not about attacking those products. They're all decent for what they are. But here's the truth no one wants to say out loud. Spray sealant are not long-term protection, even with proper preparation. At least in my condition, in my climate. They just don't last in real-world conditions. If I can get 12 weeks out of a spray sealant here in Quebec, that should be a killer product. So if you're not regularly applying your spray sealant, your car is unprotected. And yet, the industry continues to push those 6 months plus advertised durability. Narrative has been bugging me for a very long time, and here I am to finally tell you guys about it. All right, everything is washed. Let's give it a rinse. There's still soap on the car, so check it out. So just to remind you, on the right side, Griot's. On the left side, Bola Solution P17. Don't worry, I'm gonna give you another shot with a better angle very soon. Just wanna show you guys that initial rinse. So for the roof situation, the left side Bola is slow sheeting. Very, very slow if you give it a few minutes. As you can see, it gets flooded really quick. And let's not even talk about Griot's. I'm gonna give you guys another angle. The Griot's and the Bola, they're both dead after 1 month on the rear end of the trunk. I know this car is white, but it's pretty obvious. Same story for the roof, both dead. Maybe somewhat slightly faster sheeting for the Bola. So the door gets cleaned up after a while. The water eventually sheets off, but yeah. As a friendly reminder, on the very left, clean by pan, in the middle, Griot's 3-in-1, on the very right side, Bola P17. I would still consider this as pretty much dead. Need to be reapplied. In the middle, a little bit of beading and sheeting. That's the Griot's in the middle. This side for Bola is doing okay. Yeah, not very good. If you're using these, just know what you're getting into. Temporary gloss and quick protection, that's it. If you're after long-term durability, you'll have to step up to a real hard ceramic coating. Let me know in the comments what spray sealant has worked for you long term, or if your experience is just like mine. Now, if you want to see what a real ceramic coating can do after more than 5 months in the harshest winter condition, you'll want to check out that video right here.